In this video, I will show you how to make a simple line graph in Google Sheets. I'm selecting column B because it needs to be formatted as currency. I will select Format, Number, and then Currency. Next, I will select all the data and right-click to Convert to Table. Now I will select my table, click Insert, and then Chart. By default, this created a bar chart. I will change the chart type to Line Chart in the right menu under Setup. If your table has multiple columns, you can change the x-axis and series. In the right menu, I will choose Customize and Chart and Axis Titles to change the title text. You can also modify the font, size, color, and format. Because we converted to table, when we add a new row with the plus button, it should automatically populate in our chart. And that's it. You can now create a simple line chart in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching.